Hi guys! Today I have a really easy to make, delicious, homemade spiced plum liqueur recipe for you. This plum liqueur is a great homemade gift for Christmas or for any other time of the year, and if you have an abundance of plums in your garden like we had this year, then this recipe is a great way to use up those plums. Let's get started with the recipe. For the recipe, you will need 600 grams of ripe but still firm plums, 250 grams of sugar, 5 cinnamon sticks, 1 vanilla pod, and 5 to 10 cardamom pods. You can also add any other winter spices you like to the liquor. And then we also need the alcohol. This time I used vodka, but you can also use rum instead. First, wash the plums thoroughly in lukewarm water, then halve and pit them. Now, place the prepared plums in a large jar. Don't forget to sterilize the jar beforehand. Next, cut the vanilla pod lengthwise and add it to the jar along with the cinnamon, cardamom, and sugar. Finally, pour in the alcohol and give everything a quick stir to combine. Now, seal the jar and leave it to steep in a cool, dark place for a month. Every now and then, give the jar a little shake so everything mixes well. After a month, the liquor will be ready and its color will have beautifully transformed. Then remove the fruit and spices, strain the liquid through a sieve and pour it into sterilized bottles. The liquor will last at least a year and makes a wonderful homemade Christmas gift. I hope you enjoyed my plum liqueur recipe. I love the beautiful color that the liqueur has, and it has a beautiful spiced aroma. I really enjoyed making this liqueur. It's really easy, really quick to make, and it makes a great gift for the winter months. The plums that you have left over after making the liqueur are not to be thrown away. You can use those plums to make a homemade jam or use them for anything else. Just keep in mind that they have some alcohol in them. If you enjoyed my recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.